I started po during the pandemic because I was in a different field. I was in the entertainment and I was in the airline industry. So comes pandemic po, we don't have any platform to perform or sarado din yung industry ng transportation. Then during pandemic, that was like late 2020. Tama ba? Late 2020, early 2021. There was a surplus of strawberry jam. Tapos ang strawberry jam before is 20 pesos per kilo. So I go there and help the farmers na para exchange them. May konting ipon binili ko. Tapos I started out making 2 kilos of jam and strawberry jam. Then I had it sampled sa family, relatives, until kumalat na siya, lumaki na siya. Then to date po, I believe we have 100 kilo a night or per 3 times a week to cook jam. So dun po. Then I started selling my strawberry jams sa Sunday market, sa Session Road. Then after that, I had in Portavaga in SM as well. And lumaki siya na lumaki until I was, this place po is open but it needed food. Tapos naalala ko, mahilig din pala ako magluto and I decided to go to American cuisine because I was so inspired with my father who is also a chef before at Camp Jenny. Then initially most of the food that I serve are replica of what they have in Camp Jenny before in 19P and in Mile High. And as the business progressed, we infused French. Why French? Because it's from my favorite storybook, the Beauty and the Beast. And kaya ganito yung concept namin, very Beauty and the Beast, because of the story of Prince Adam, yung prince po doon, because he was given second chances. And I had a lot of second chances in my life. Back in 2014, I was a victim of gunshot incident. I was shot 3 times inside my car, na-hold up ako. But still nabuhay ako. And in 2018 or 17, I had cancer, pancreatic cancer. Then, still nabuhay ako. So, naniniwala ako na binibigyan tayo ng situation ngayon to share the story that second chances are real and miracles.
So yung cancer nyo is fully healed na siya?
I am fully healed.
Wow.
Yes, yes. I had all my medications and operations are done in Malaysia.
In Malaysia, abroad. Paano sir na yung sakit na yun, paano nyo na...
It's basically lifestyle because I belong to the music industry and I was singing back in Manila. You know, if you're a band artist, you do a lot of things to yourself. You try to drink excessively, you know, and eat a lot na sobra. So it's basically lifestyle.
Question.
So, sir, based on your nakaka-inspire yung ginawa ninyo, nakikita naman namin. Ano yung inspiration? Bakit nyo talaga yung mga kakaiba yung mga pinapakita, design mo?
Oh yes, yes.
What is the inspiration?
Actually, it's the inspiration is like the storybook or the Disney story, Beauty and the Beast. Most of the things that I get here should be in line with the story, and then yung sabi ko, I believe in the miracle of second chances, and most of the things that you see here are upside down. So I'm giving things. This cup is also bought from surplus. Alam mo yung mga ganun, I don't buy new things. And this wood, the table I'm sitting at are second-hand lahat. And even the bottles at my back are upcycled bottles po, which I get from different hotels. Tapos i-sterilize namin. Then I let the community take it to have, for them to have extra job. So my inspiration is always giving everything second chances.
Ang galing yun.
Sir,
Siguro.
sir, napansin ko yung social branding ninyo, kulay blue.
Yes.
Bakit kulay blue?
Ever since kasi yun yung favorite color ko, blue. And I had trainings in DTI. And they say that your product should stand out from the rest. And ang first product ko is strawberry jam. If you go to the market or if you buy strawberry jam, ang label nila is always red. Then kung red lahat yan, para-para sila. So I've thought of having it blue since it's my favorite color. Then yun yung unang makikita mo.
And it will stand up sa sa the rest of the products,
Yes
diba?
po.
Kasi biglang puro red tapos biglang magkakaroon ng blue. Oops.
Oo.
Yung curiosity nandun na kayo ng
Correct, correct. Tapos eventually, yun na yung naging corporate color namin. It's called Retro Blue according to IPO. Retro.
Ang galing. Sir, natikman ko yung sinerve yung pagkain sa amin. Eh, sabi ko, wow, napawaw ako.
Ay,
Kasi
thank you.
first bite pa lang, ma-amaze ka na dun sa lasa eh. Ano po yung sekreto natin dun?
Well, love.
Yeah.
The secret in good food is you have to be passionate.
Okay.
In everything you do naman sa pagkanta, sa pagdadamit, sa the way you talk to people, it should have love and passion. Hindi namin tinitipid yung ingredients. Though we source out more affordable ingredients, pero hindi namin inaano yung quality niya. Hindi namin, instead of 1 tablespoon, hindi namin ginagawa half tablespoon. Talagang with passion. And we make sure that our recipe is unique from others. Or stand out sa iba. Plus, if you notice po yung mga platings natin.
Yan yung platings pala. No?
Yes, yes.
Nasabi mo sir sa akin yung plating eh. Ang mura ng presyo, but yung plating mo is
Nakakaiba.
high-end.
Yes. The basis of our plating, because I was a flight steward before, at an international airline, and we serve first class passengers, and we do plating, microplating. So sanay kami sa mga maliliit na plating, which is what I adapt here. It's 5-star kind of plating. Ang aking pananaw doon is kaya naman natin ilapit ang fine dining sa masa na hindi sila charge ng mahal. Plating and artistry, pagdating sa kitchen, wala namang cost yun. Ang cost lang namin is yung ingredients. So, why not give it to our kababayan o mga taga-Baguio to experience 5-star food and service? Kaya naman natin.
Ang galing sir. And again, congratulations. I would simply suggest na yung mga viewers natin to come and taste at saka yung experience talaga, grabe.
Thank you.
Grabe ang here at Berry Bench.
So sir, ganito, since na kami ay nakasubok ng inyong produkto, and then we are satisfied as a customer, and then how could you encourage the customer sa lahat na makakapanood dito to come here in your business?
Yes, pag wala akong kakwentuhan, ako po yung pinakamadaldal sa Baguio na pwede kakwentuhan. Yun lang siguro maigang character. Kidding aside, if you want to experience fine dining at a very low cost, this is the place. And you experience different kind of cooking, different kind of service, this is the place to go to. Usually kasi iniisip nila kapag maganda yung place, maganda yung plating, mahal. Hindi. Let us experience good quality food and service at a low cost.
So just encourage them, sir, to come in your...
Yes po, ni-invite po namin lahat po. And safe po yung food namin. Some of our food are actually halal. We have different sections for that. And na-try niyo po kanina yung bangus namin. It's for sa mga kababayan natin, they like halal food. So, safe na.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, yun lang. That's it. Wrap up na. Sir, again, thank you very much. And
Yes. At least mapapabot na